Hello and welcome back to Cooking with Lauralee. I am Lauralee. Today I will be sharing with you my pulled pork ciabatta sandwich. My daughter always orders the pulled pork from Four Rivers. If you've never been to Four Rivers, I highly recommend that you eat there. It is the barbecue restaurant and it is delicious. On this day, she wanted to go to Four Rivers, but I was in the mood to eat at a restaurant, so I made her my homemade pulled pork. Although pork tender can be pricey at times, I still paid a lot less to make this at home. I had food for several days instead of going out to eat as a family and only having one meal and paying a lot more. Trust me, I enjoy taking breaks from cooking from time to time, but sometimes the best eating is in the comfort of your own home. As always, my daughter was very pleased when we ended up staying at home and making this homemade pulled pork. And if you're looking at this video and thinking to yourself, hey, this looks a lot like the Oh Amazing and Amazing Grace video, it is. When I recorded this video, I made two different meals out of it, and I actually made the pulled pork first and then the Oh Amazing Grace. So make sure that you go ahead and check out that Oh Amazing and Amazing Grace video as well. Please make sure to share and subscribe to my channel as I'm trying to reach 500 subscribers by the end of August. Thank you to all of my subscribers. We are at 379. You are all the best, and I couldn't do it without your support. Thank you so much. Make sure to stay tuned since I will be doing two different collaborations. One will be a back to school collaboration and the other one will be food from India collaboration. I can't wait to share these videos with you all. I hope you all enjoy. Oh my gosh, that smells stupid good, huh?